few decades, remote work has evolved from a rare privilege to a mainstream organizational strategy, largely propelled by technological advancements and shifting workforce expectations. For HR professionals, this evolution has presented both challenges and opportunities. As remote work continues to shape the landscape of employment, understanding its impact on HR practices is essential for building resilient and adaptive organizations. Before we get started, I know fewer than 20% of my viewers are subscribed to the channel. It would be a great help if you subscribed. It's free and it helps the channel grow. Subscribing is quicker than leaving a comment, but if you'd like to leave a comment and let me know what types of videos you'd like to see next, I'd love to hear what you think. Given today's video, let's hear a word from our friends at Exam Edge. Exam Edge specializes in realistic online practice tests with detailed feedback for every question. This means you're not just memorizing answers, you're actually mastering the material, which is key to acing your exam. One of their most popular categories is human resources, offering bundles of 1, 5, 10, or even 15 practice tests for certifications like the SHRM CP and PHR. Personally, I choose the 10 or 15 test bundle. You get more questions for a better rate and even bonus freebies. What sets them apart for me is the unlimited access to unique questions. With over 1,300 for the SHRM CP alone, you'll be well prepared and confident for exam day. Ready to take your prep to the next level? Visit the links in the description box below depending on which test you're studying for and use the code SHIRLEY10 at checkout. That is SHIRLEY10 at checkout to save 10% on your order. By using my links, you'll not only save money, but also support this channel. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Exam Edge or have any questions. Happy studying! The concept of remote work dates back to the late 20th century, with advancements in telecommunication technologies laying the groundwork. Early adopters were typically tech companies and niche industries that recognized the potential of remote setups to boost productivity and attract top talent. However, the idea remained peripheral, with traditional office culture dominating the professional world. HR teams during this period often approached remote work with skepticism. Concerns about accountability, collaboration, and equitable treatment of remote versus in-office employees were common. Nonetheless, pioneers of remote work began to develop foundational policies, such as remote work agreements and guidelines for virtual communication. The early 2000s brought a wave of digital transformation that fundamentally altered the feasibility of remote work. High-speed internet, collaborative software, and cloud-based platforms enabled employees to perform tasks and communicate with teams from virtually anywhere. HR departments began to adopt these tools, creating systems to manage remote employees and foster virtual engagement. During this period, remote work became a competitive advantage for companies looking to expand their talent pools. HR professionals leveraged flexible work policies to attract and retain employees, particularly those in highly specialized or competitive fields. The emergence of global talent markets further emphasized the importance of remote work, with HR teams developing strategies for cross-border collaboration and compliance with international labor laws. The COVID-19 pandemic marked a turning point in the evolution of remote work. Organizations across the globe were forced to transition to remote setups almost overnight, presenting an unprecedented challenge for HR professionals. This abrupt shift highlighted gaps in existing policies and accelerated the adoption of remote work technologies. For HR, the pandemic underscored the importance of adaptability and innovation. HR teams played a critical role in facilitating the transition, from ensuring employees had the necessary tools and resources to maintaining engagement and well-being in a time of uncertainty. New practices emerged, such as virtual onboarding, remote performance evaluations, and digital wellness programs. In the post-pandemic era, remote work has become an enduring feature of the workplace. HR professionals now navigate a hybrid landscape where some employees work remotely full-time, others are in the office, and many alternate between the two. This dynamic environment presents unique challenges, including maintaining company culture, addressing equity issues, and fostering collaboration. However, the opportunities are equally compelling. Remote work has expanded access to diverse talent pools, enabling organizations to build more inclusive teams. HR professionals can now focus on creating flexible policies that accommodate various work preferences and life circumstances, ultimately enhancing employee satisfaction and retention. The future of remote work will likely involve continued innovation and refinement. Emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality, hold the potential to revolutionize remote collaboration and training. HR professionals will need to stay ahead of these trends, integrating new tools into their strategies to enhance productivity and engagement. Additionally, the rise of remote work raises important questions about organizational structure and leadership. HR leaders will play a pivotal role in shaping these discussions, advocating for policies that balance flexibility with accountability and ensure equitable opportunities for all employees. The evolution of remote work has transformed not only how employees perform their jobs, but also how HR professionals support and manage them. From its early days as a niche practice to its current status as a cornerstone of modern employment, remote work continues to challenge and inspire the HR field. By embracing innovation, addressing challenges proactively, and prioritizing employee well-being, HR professionals can help organizations thrive in the evolving landscape of remote work.